The monsoon season breathes life into nature, transforming gardens into lush, green havens. However, along with the beauty of abundant rainfall, this season also brings challenges such as excessive moisture, waterlogging, pest infestations, and fungal diseases. Without proper care, plants can suffer from root rot, nutrient depletion, and structural damage. By adopting the right gardening techniques, you can protect your outdoor garden and enjoy its vibrancy even in heavy rains. Let's explore the best strategies to keep your garden healthy and thriving during the monsoon. 1. Ensuring proper drainage to prevent waterlogging. One of the biggest threats to plants during the monsoon is waterlogged soil, which can suffocate roots and lead to decay. To prevent this, improving drainage is crucial. Create slopes or raised beds to help direct excess water away from plant roots. Mixing sand, gravel, or perlite into the soil enhances permeability, reducing the chances of standing water. 4. Potted plants. Ensure proper drainage holes and place pebbles at the bottom to prevent water from accumulating. A well-draining soil structure allows roots to breathe, promoting healthier plant growth. 2. Selecting monsoon-friendly plants for a resilient garden. Choosing the right plants can make a significant difference during the rainy season. Opt for hardy, moisture-loving species such as hibiscus, colocasia, rain lilies, banana plants, and ginger, as they thrive in wet conditions. Native plants are also better adapted to monsoon climates, requiring less intervention. Incorporating vibrant flowers like cannas and cosmos adds color to your garden even amidst the rains. By selecting plants that naturally flourish in damp environments, you can reduce maintenance while ensuring your garden remains lush and lively. 3. Keeping pests at bay with natural control methods. Monsoons create the perfect breeding ground for pests like aphids, slugs, and snails, which can quickly damage your plants. Implementing natural pest control strategies helps keep these invaders in check without harming the environment. Spraying neem oil or garlic-based repellents deters insects, while sprinkling crushed eggshells or coffee grounds helps ward off slugs and snails. Regularly inspecting plants for signs of infestation and introducing beneficial insects, like ladybugs, can further enhance your garden's defense against pests. 4. Pruning plants for strength and disease prevention. Pre-monsoon pruning is essential to protect plants from heavy rainfall and strong winds. Removing dead, weak, or overgrown branches prevents breakage and promotes better air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal infections caused by excess moisture. Climbers and vines should be securely tied to supports to prevent damage. After the monsoon, additional pruning helps eliminate any storm-damaged parts and encourages fresh, healthy growth. Well-maintained plants are more resilient to seasonal challenges. 5. Nourishing the soil with organic fertilizers. Heavy rains can wash away vital nutrients, leaving plants undernourished. Replenishing the soil with organic fertilizers such as compost, vermicompost, and cow dung ensures a steady supply of nutrients. These fertilizers not only feed plants gradually, but also improve soil structure, making it more resistant to erosion. Avoid excessive use of chemical fertilizers, as they can leach away with the rain, contaminating nearby water sources. Organic enrichment keeps your garden soil fertile and balanced. 6. Preventing fungal diseases in humid conditions. Fungal infections are a common monsoon challenge due to high humidity and constant moisture. Diseases like powdery mildew and leaf spots thrive in damp environments. To prevent fungal outbreaks, avoid overwatering and maintain adequate spacing between plants to improve air circulation. Using copper-based fungicides as a preventive measure helps protect susceptible plants. Additionally, cleaning up fallen leaves and debris regularly reduces fungal breeding grounds, keeping your garden healthier. 7. Mulching to protect soil and retain nutrients. Mulching is an excellent technique to safeguard your garden during the monsoon. Organic mulch, such as dried leaves, straw, or wood chips, prevents soil erosion, regulates temperature, and minimizes waterlogging. Mulching also suppresses weeds, which tend to grow aggressively in damp conditions. As the mulch decomposes, it enriches the soil with nutrients, promoting long-term plant health. Ensure the mulch layer is appropriately applied, avoiding direct contact with plant stems to prevent rot. 8. Supporting tall and delicate plants against strong winds. Heavy rains and strong winds can weaken or damage delicate plants. Providing adequate support using stakes, trellises, or wire cages helps them stay upright. Plants like tomatoes, chilies, and flowering climbers benefit greatly from additional reinforcement. When tying plants to supports, use soft materials like cloth strips or twine to prevent stem injuries. Regularly check the stability of supports and adjust them as needed to ensure plants remain well supported and unharmed. 9. Smart watering techniques to avoid overhydration. While the monsoon naturally provides ample water, smart watering techniques remain essential. Overwatering during rainy spells can worsen issues like root rot. For plants placed under shelter or indoors, reduce watering and only water when the soil feels dry. Installing rain gauges or moisture sensors can help monitor soil hydration levels and prevent excess watering. Paying attention to your garden's needs ensures plants receive just the right amount of water. 10. Revitalizing the garden after the monsoon. Once the rains subside, your garden will need attention to recover from the intense weather. Start by aerating the soil to improve oxygen flow and replenish nutrients using organic fertilizers. Prune away damaged or diseased plant parts to encourage fresh growth. Address any remaining pest infestations to prevent further damage. A proper post-monsoon care routine ensures your garden transitions smoothly into the next season, fostering continuous growth and beauty. Bonus tip: harvesting rainwater for sustainable gardening. Make the most of the monsoon season by collecting rainwater for future use. Installing a rainwater harvesting system helps store excess water, reducing dependency on external water supplies. This eco-friendly practice not only conserves resources, but also ensures your garden has a reliable water source during drier months. Sustainable gardening methods like rainwater collection contribute to long-term environmental benefits. Thank you for joining us to explore essential monsoon care tips for outdoor gardens. By adopting these best practices, you can ensure your plants stay healthy and thrive despite the rainy season's challenges. Have any personal gardening tips or experiences? Share them with us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert gardening advice. Until next time, happy gardening.